I'm going to show you how you can play two videos simultaneously on your Android phone like I'm doing right here. Android by default doesn't really let you play two videos at the same time, so the workaround that we're going to do is to, first of all, play the videos in a browser. And to do that, I've noticed that Firefox and Brave work the best. Chrome, at least on my phone, tends to give me issues because it opens up the YouTube app every time I try to watch a video on YouTube. And for watching two videos at once, that's not what we want. So, step 1, we'll go to Firefox, navigate to youtube.com, and find a video you want to watch. Then, we'll tap the three dots up here and request the desktop site. Usually, YouTube will first load the mobile site like this, so you'll want to request a desktop site and make sure the page looks like your YouTube would look on a computer. And by the way, you can do this with any site. I'm just using YouTube here to demonstrate this. Then, we'll open another browser. I like to use Brave as my secondary browser. Same thing here, go on YouTube, find a video, and then on Brave, I tap the three dots down here and tap the desktop site option. Mine's already set to desktop, so I don't need to do that, but if you're looking at the mobile site, pick the desktop version instead. I'm going to play that video, and then what we're going to do is we're going to put these two browsers in a split screen mode. So, open up the app switcher, either click the button if you're using the button layout, or because my phone is set to the swipe gestures, I'm going to swipe up and stop halfway up my screen. Then, tap the app icon up here and choose Split Screen. And then I'll choose my other app that we want in the split screen view. And there you go, two videos playing at the same time. If you're on a Samsung phone, they have a tool in the Galaxy Store called Sound Assistant, which can do this too. But I know some of you guys are not on a Samsung phone, so we're not going to dive into that now, and I'll cover that in a separate video instead. Click that like button if this helped and subscribe for more. Thanks all, until next time.